It's Monday, March 30th. Queens, New York. I'm basically at the center of the epidemic. Hi. I just come here every afternoon to run.
Yeah, you can't come in here.
Okay.
I'm sorry. Yeah.
Okay.
It's all blocked off.
Okay. Can't do what you want. Apparently there was a shooting out here earlier. I had the zoom lens, I put it on to zoom in to show you. Okay, so this is where I normally go to fly. Right here. I have not been out of my home in the past few days, primarily because of the weather and primarily because of doing the right thing and just staying quarantined and being at home, and but I just need to get out just to fly a little bit. Now, the parks are not closed here in Queens, New York, even though it is the epicenter of this whole pandemic right now. But the mayor said that they're not cleaning anything. So like, I don't even want to get out of my car. I don't want to touch anything. I literally don't want to touch anything because I just don't want to take any chances, but I still want to fly. As a result, I've decided to bring this drone out. No, not the Mavic Mini, even though it's with me. This guy. I've been flying this guy for the past I don't know, I would say probably since late December, early January. Yeah, this is not my drone, sponsored by Autonomous Drone Services, of course. Why did I decide to bring this drone out of all the drones? Well, let me show you why. Put the battery on. Clean all of the eyes. This thing has like eyeball cameras, 4K cameras that help it to see all the way around. That's how I've been able to fly this drone with the controller like really recklessly and never ever crash it. Now, if I were flying one of these, the DJI Mavic Minis, that would be different. I can't even turn it on in the car because of the magnetic interference from the compass. And then putting it on top of a metal car, not a good idea at all. Like, you won't even be able to take off because these things don't do well around metal. This drone doesn't give a crap about metal. See, the other reason why I didn't want to come out? Close to the vehicle and all that. With all the things going on right now, I just don't think that I should be, dealing. And that's why I have my windows up. I'm kind of like in my box. I just need see, someone just passed running there. I just need my little flying fix. As you can see, there's no error message about being on top of the roof of the car. What I like about it, as soon as you hit launch, you just press and hold this down. Let's fly. You hold that down and it's gonna go at full speed ahead. Now at full speed ahead, let's see if we can crash this thing into like these trees or something. So I got my hands on the turbo button and I'm going turbo. Let's go right into these trees, sucker. Turbo. No, turbo through it. No, turbo. Smashing that turbo button. And you put your hands like fully down on the stick, it won't land. So like if you're over water, grass or anything, it's not like the typical drones where you have to worry about it landing. You would actually need to hit this land button if you wanted it to land. I am right up to these shrubs. Let's go into these shrubs. I mean, this thing is detecting shrubs. I mean, it won't even look. I'm pushing into it. Like, go into the shrubs, will you? hit something, god damn it. Now doesn't that make for a nice unique shot that I don't think you're gonna get with any other drone? I'm headed straight for this tree. George of the jungle, watch out for that tree. Yee! Watch out for that tree. What the heck? Come on, hit the tree, will you? Try the fence. No. Going to the fence. Alright. I've come up with a new idea, right? Look at this thing go in turbo mode. Like, let's head straight for the fence, guys. Wipe this thing out. Where's the fence? Oh, it completely dodged the fence. Alright, I got a better idea. I'll put my hands on the turbo button again to hold the turbo down. Now let's go to the side and crash this sucker. Crash, you bastard. Crash. Let's keep it down too so it smashes into something. It hit. Whoa, come on. You guys see this? It has like a little diagram of the drone that shows you where the drone is, so you know exactly where you can precision land. This is so cool. While I'm talking to you guys, I want to like try and land on this hood. Isn't this crazy? Like, I've got the camera in one hand. Let's see if it'll do it. Let's go down as low as we can. Whoa. Did I end up? Whoa, look where I ended up. Okay, I kind of missed the mark over there. Let's go back up. Ideally, I think I should have the camera positioned and trying to do this. Alright, let's land. It's gonna hold there. Did you hear that? Woo. Insane fun is the word I use to describe this little drone. Using the controller now, you're not crashing this drone. Now, it's $9.99 for the drone without the controller, just the drone only to follow you. The controller is the extra $150, right? But if you go to Skydio's website right now and you hit buy, let's hit buy and see what happens. You get a big message that pops up on your screen that pretty much says, well, it says, due to you know what, our local manufacturer in California has been temporarily halted. If you pre-ordered this drone, apart from it being made in America, or at least I should say assembled in America, there are other things about it that really interest you about this drone. And my advice to you would be to just hold on that reserve, be patient, and wait for your order to get to you. I will caution you this. When you fly this drone, like I have been flying this drone for the last couple of weeks or months, and then you jump into another drone like this, you will find yourself probably crashing this. I don't think when I'm flying this, I just fly because I know that it doesn't matter how small the obstacle is, I know I won't hit it. I hope you guys had fun today. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit thumbs up, thumbs down, whichever one works for you. Do all the YouTube stuff. Take care of yourself, take care of your family. Do as you're told, at least for now, until things get better. And I will see you guys whenever I can. Big shout out to Autonomous Drone Services and MadmixTube.com for providing us with the equipment to make these videos possible. I'm still giving away 6 DJI Mavic 2 Pros or Zooms. Head over to my Patreon account, donate $1, become a patron, and automatically you're entered to win a chance to win one of 6 of those drones. Guys, Let's make this happen. Come on, support me and help me support you. What can I say except there's something about flying drones that just makes me feel better.